Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you this beautiful and so fast crochet pattern. You can use this pattern on your shawls, on your vests, cardigans, where you want you can use that. Only 4 rows repeating, only you use double crochets and single crochets, and the borders I made double triples, so simple. You crochet it in a day maybe. If you fast crocheter, you can do that easily. I give all the details in the video, but if you have any questions, please leave me comments, and also don't forget subscribe to my channel. If you're ready, we can start to crochet our so simple and so fast crocheting, only 4 rows repeating crochet pattern. Let's start crochet. I have here a ball of yarn, here little piece, and it's nearly size 4. Okay, only I want to show you this pattern, this thick yarn. You can use little thin yarns with that pattern. It will be more beautiful, but I want to show you easily. Because of that I use this yarn, and I use 4mm hook. For this pattern we need multiples of 8. First of all, make a slip knot. Then not make so tight your chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's enough for me for show the pattern. You can make your chains which width you want. Okay, then yarn over twice and skip that 6 chains, 6 stitches, and come to do 8 1. Insert here, grab your yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2. Sorry, we will make triple here, double triple. 1, pull through 2, pull through 2, and pull through 2. I have 2 triples here. Then 1, 2, 3, and 4 chains. Yarn over only 1 time. On the borders we will make triples. After all the between of them we will make double crochets. Yarn over and skip 1, 2, 3. Insert into the 4th one here. And make here double crochet. Pull through 2, pull through 2. Then yarn over and insert into the next one, grab your yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 chains. Yarn over, skip here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, insert into the 7th one here. Grab my yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2. Yarn over, insert into the next one, and make 1 more double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Yarn over, skip 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 stitch, insert into the 7th one, grab your yarn, and make double crochet. Then yarn over and insert into the next one, make 1 more double crochet. You will repeat chain 7, skip 6 stitch, insert into the 7th one, and make double, then make 1 more double crochet in the next stitch. This is the repeating pattern. When you come to the borders, the last, you will do the same thing, this starting point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 chains. Yarn over, skip 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, insert into the 7th one here, and make here double, yarn over, insert into the next, make one more double. Then we start here with chain 4. You remember 1, 2, 3 and 4 chains, same as the starting. Yarn over twice, skip 1, 2, 3, insert into the fourth one here, and make here double triple, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, yarn over twice, insert into the last, make your last stitch as double triple here. This is our first row. Now we will start to make the second one. Chain 1 and turn my work here. Not count as a stitch. Insert into the same stitch and make here single crochet. Insert into the next one and make one more single crochet. I come to chain 4 space. Make here 6 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Here we have from previous row double crochets. I will insert my hook, second one like that as front post, hold my double crochet like that and make 6 single crochet on it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Turn like that. Between of them here make 1 single crochet. Turn it like that and hold your first double crochet from previous row. Make 6 single crochet on it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. I turn all around that 2 double crochet like that. I come to my line here. I have 7 chains. I will make here 12 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. You can see that. Now we will come to next doubles. So what will we do? Hold the second one and make 6 single crochet on it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Turn it. Between of them I will make 1 single. Turn it and hold the first one. Make 6 single crochet on it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We will turn all around these double crochets. From starting the second one, turn the first one and come to your second row's line. I have 7 chains. We will make here 12 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Come to next one, turn all around from start the second one to the first one, then make 12 single and make here. When I come to the second border, I will turn to you and I will show you how you can finish your row. Okay, I complete and turn to you. I come to end, you can see we will finish as same as our starting point. Don't forget that we have here 4 chains. We will make here 6 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Come to these 2 triples, stop it, make 2 single crochet, 1 and 2. Finish the second row like that. Now we will start the third row. Now we will start the third row. We will slide these 3D parts now. Only you will repeat the 4 rows. You can make your pattern. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and turn your work. Count as your first triple. Yarn over twice, insert into the next stitch and make 1 more double triple here. This is your first border. On the first row we will make after that chain 4 and put them here. Now we will make always chain 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yarn over and skip here. Skip the first 3D. Then come here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Insert into the 6th one and make here double crochet. Yarn over, insert into the next, make 1 more double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yarn over, skip the second, count here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Make double crochet. Yarn over and insert into the next one, make 1 more double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yarn over, skip the third 3D. Skip the third 3D part and count here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Insert into the 6th one and make double crochet. Yarn over, insert into the next one, make 1 more double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 chains again. Skip the last 3D. Look at that, like here. Yarn over twice, you come to the end of this row. If you, of course, you will have more chains, you will keep repeat chain 7, skip the next 3D, count the 6 chains and make double crochet on the 6th and the 7th stitch. But I come to end, so yarn over twice, come to one before of the last stitch here and make 1 double triple here. Yarn over twice, come to last stitch and make your last triple. As same as. The 4th row is as same as the 2nd row. Chain 1 and turn your work, not count that. Insert into the same stitch and make single. Insert into the next one, make 1 more single. I have here 7 chains. I will make here 12 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. I come my double crochets and do the same thing. Hold the second one and make 6 single crochet on it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Here make 1 single between of them, hold the first double, make 6 single crochet on it. 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. I have here 7 chains. I will make on it 12 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Then start from the second one, 6 here. Make here 6 single crochet, make 1 between of them, then make 6 single crochet on it. So turn all around anti-clockwise. Okay, you will feel them. Then make here 12 single. Do the same thing. I will make here 12 single and turn to you. I complete make here 12 single crochet. Come to end. We will finish 2 single crochet, 1 here, 1 into the last stitch. You know that. Now we will turn to the first round again. Okay, chain 5 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Count as your first double treble. Yarn over twice, insert into the second one and make here double treble. That's it. Now 1, 2, 3 and 4 chains this time. Yarn over, skip 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, insert into the sixth one again. Make here double crochet, yarn over, insert into the next one, make 1 more double crochet. We slide again, you can see that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 chains this time. Skip this 3D, yarn over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 here, insert and make double. Insert into the next one, make 1 more double. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, yarn over. Skip this triple, skip this 3D, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, insert into the sixth one, make double. Insert into the seventh one, make 1 more double. Then again 7 chains. Make here, I will show you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, yarn over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 here. I insert, make double crochet. Insert into the next one, make 1 more double crochet. That's the pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4 chains, as same as yarn over twice. 1 before stitch I insert, make here double treble, yarn over twice, insert into the last one and make 1 more double treble. Chain 1 and turn and not count, you remember here. Make 1 more single crochet, next stitch. You have chain 4 here, so you will make here 6 single crochet and fill that double crochet with single crochet. 6, 1, 6, then 12 single, 6, 1, 6. Okay, as same as the second row. You will always repeat those 4 rows. I make it more bigger after turn to you, show that and finish our video. Okay, I complete and turn to you. I complete my pattern. You can see that you will repeat those 4 rows and it's so fast you can make it easily. I hope you like it and you will try that. If you have any questions, please leave me comments. Thanks a lot for your all watching. You can reach me on Instagram, on Facebook, on Pinterest and on Etsy as the same name, Crochet with Gigi. Hope to see you in new videos. Have a nice day. Bye bye.